What you will say? Hi guys.
Hi guys.
We're here to
Unbox this
and taste this Habib Bakery Kunapa chocolate. Let us try. What do you think? It's good or?
It's good.
Wait. We will show them. It's quite big. Let's see how it looks inside. Whoa!
Wow!
Okay, then taste it. Let's try it. How's it? Tell them.
Good.
It's very
You
good.
like it?
You like it?
Is it yummy?
Wow! I think it's better than Peck's chocolate. More. It's nice. Okay.
Like it?
Subscribe to my channel.
Yeah. Tell them.
Please subscribe to my channel.
What is your channel? Tutas TV.